guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a chill, bad hair day, no makeup look. Yeah. Anyway, so I'll be first starting off with this Tinted Moisturizer from Bareminerals. I actually really love this stuff. I use it all the time. Anyway, so today I was just having a really bad hair day, and I thought I was having a good hair day, or at least decent hair day, but looking back at this, my hair looks kind of cray-cray. Oh well. But I'll be following that up with my favorite lip gloss from Bareminerals as well. The Hype Gen Nude Lip Gloss. Love this lip gloss so much. Have you guys ever just had a lip gloss that transforms your day from a bad one to a good one? That's what that lip gloss does for me. And then I'm just going to put on some concealer. I'm just testing this sample size that I got. Just see how it conceals, and actually did a really good job. It was super dry though, so I just used my finger to pat it in. And then I did some boy brow on my brows. Oh my gosh, how I love boy brow. And then I just gave myself some cheekbones because I don't really have those. So we gotta acquire those quickly through some makeup application. Beautiful. Then I followed it up with some natural highlighter, also from Bareminerals. Can you guys see there's a pattern here? I love clean beauty, and Bareminerals does a really good job with that. But they also do very muted natural colors, so it's perfect for that no makeup look, if you get what I'm saying. For the nose highlight though, I was disappointed because I wanted my nose to be even brighter than that. I love a nose highlight. So I pretty much took the same thing I used to bronze my face and highlight my face and used it on my eyes. That's all I did, just to give it some depth. And then I followed up with their mascara. By the way, this video is not sponsored, by the way. I just have a lot of their products because they gave it to me at an event. And I am just doing my mascara with an upside down mirror. That's the best way I found to put on my mascara without getting it on top of my eyelids, which is one of my pet peeves about makeup. I hate it when my mascara gets on my eyelids. So I just tilt my mirror upwards and do that. Now I'll be following up with this Beauty For Real blush, cream blush. I really like this because it's two-sided. It has one side that's a highlighter and one side that's a blush. And now that I have my clown face on, we can continue by blending that in. I look so pink after that, so I put some translucent powder over it just to tone it down a bit and make sure my eyes don't crease. And then I popped on some lashes because why the heck not? Lashes are lovely. And there you have it, folks. That's my chill, bad hair day, no makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!